Check that the AC and DC power supplies to the solar inverter are connected simultaneously, and that the AC and DC indicators are steady green or blink slowly for more than 3 minutes. First, turn off the AC switch and set the DC switch to off. Wait until all indicators on the solar inverter panel turn off. Second, turn on the AC switch and set the DC switch to on. Ensure that the DC indicator is blinking green at long intervals. Three, turn off the AC switch and set the DC switch to off. Wait until all indicators on the solar inverter panel turn off. Fourth, turn on the AC switch and set the DC switch to on. If the DC and AC indicators blink slowly, the password is reset successfully. The inverter restarts immediately after the password is reset. Wait until the DC and AC indicators blink slowly again, indicating that the restart is successful. In this case, log into the app to reset the password within 10 minutes. Check that the AC and DC power supplies to the solar inverter are connected simultaneously, and that the AC and DC indicators are steady green or blink slowly for more than 3 minutes. Turn off the AC switch. Set the DC switch to off. Wait until all indicators on the solar inverter panel turn off. First, turn on the AC switch and wait until the AC indicator blinks green at long intervals. Second, Turn off the AC switch and wait until all indicators on the solar inverter panel turn off. Third, turn on the AC switch. Wait until all LED indicators on the inverter panel blink and turn off after about 30 seconds. Wait until the 3 indicators on the inverter panel blink green quickly and then blink red quickly, indicating that the password has been restored. Log into the app to reset the password within 10 minutes.